Is Next.js and React the same? This question might be swirling around in your mind, and you are not alone. However, the answer is no, they are not the same. Next.js is a framework built on top of React, providing additional features such as server-side rendering and automatic code splitting. React, on the other hand, is a JavaScript library used for crafting user interfaces. Next.js simply enhances React, adding features and functionality to make building specific types of web applications more streamlined. Let's delve deeper into Next.js. It is a back-end framework rooted in React. Everything achievable in React can also be accomplished in Next.js, but with added features like routing, API calls, authentication, and more. React lacks these features, prompting developers to install external libraries and dependencies, like React Router for routing in a single-page React app. The beauty of Next.js is that it eliminates the need for external libraries for these functions. They are built into the package when a Next.js app is created, differentiating a Next.js app from a traditional React app. Now, let's discuss server-side rendering, a key feature of Next.js. To fully understand server-side rendering, it's essential to first explain client-side rendering. The client is the user interface, or what we see on the screen, the front-end part of the code. The server, invisible to us, is the back-end side of the code. In client-side rendering, the application loads and generates the output on the browser dynamically. In essence, the browser is rendering pages using JavaScript. But with server-side rendering, the user interface is not generated by the browser, but on the server. When an application loads, it doesn't need to pass the user interface on the browser. Instead, it comes from the server side, having been generated in advance on the server. So, when we load a React application, the source code in the browser may seem bare bones, featuring only the title, meta tags, and link references. The rest of the code is not visible in the browser when the page initially loads. This is due to React's use of client-side rendering. The React application processes and outputs the user interface dynamically in the browser. In summary, while Next.js and React may seem similar, they serve different purposes. React is a powerful JavaScript library for building user interfaces, while Next.js is a framework that enhances React, providing additional features like server-side rendering and automatic code splitting. This makes Next.js a more complete solution for building certain types of web applications, without the need for external libraries. So, while they may be used together, they are certainly not the same thing.